Hey guys, welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to deep dive in NeuronWriter. How can we visit NeuronWriter, what is the feature, and compare with other content optimization tool with this NeuronWriter. So let's get started. So before start, I can show you that NeuronWriter right now running on Appsumo deal. So as you can see, NeuronWriter boosts SEO with NLP driven editors. So one time purchase of $59. So for lifetime you can get NeuronWriter for $59. So as you can see, here is NeuronWriter pricing plan. So with $59 you can add two project means two website, and you can create 25 article per month after it reset, and you can after that next month you can also again add create 25 articles, and you can get 15,000 monthly AIKDs. That means 15k minimum word count and 75k maximum words. So it is depending on quality. So if you write high quality content, that it reduce the content, and if you create content that is the low quality, and then you can create more content. Okay, so you can also generate drafts, so semi-automated content outline with this tool, with this lifetime deal, and content templates and interlinking coming soon, so it is not available. And if you stack two codes, okay, so if you stack two codes, you add 5 website, okay, and you can create 15 articles, and it is give you 30k monthly AIKDs. It is 30, you can generate like 30k to 150k words. Okay, if you stack 3 courses, you add 10 projects, 75 articles you can generate, and 45,000 monthly AIKDs you get. And you can also add your team members for sharing this project. Okay, so what it do is, it is begin with quick research. So it is research your keyword, neuron analyze your competitor based content, and suggest what ideas to cover and what Google wizard looking for. And neuron includes built-in draft generator for creating article layouts, so it quickly add the ideas to your content draft and rearrange them. And it also helps you generate the beginning of paragraph or develop your statement, and it is help you discover the best keyword for your topic. Okay, so as you can see, it get like 44 reviews. So it launched this campaign like 7 days ago, and it also 74 reviews. Okay, and as you can see, review is a 5-star review. The NeuronWriter has a lot of potential. Urus a great alternative to fresh and server SEO. And these wizards say how to optimize your blog post and Google using NeuronWriter. I've been using Neuron for a while now, and I have to say I'm really impressed. Okay, so these wizards say this is complete saving of my time and energy. What I love the most from this tool, comparing with other AI article writing in the market, is ability to do keyword analysis. Content creator are also high quality and readable. This wizards say an impressive set of tools. Okay, now let's see their dashboard, and let's see how we can generate content and how we can optimize content. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, we are in the inside of NeuronWriter. So we are in content writer section. So now first of all, you need to add if you want to start project, you need to click new analysis. Okay, so as you can see, content writer, so write or optimize content with help of the best NLP guidelines. Okay, so our keyword is it possible to time travel? Okay, so we go for United States and language English. So click here to start. So it analyze charts and competition to your given keyword. Now you need to click view. Okay, so click here. So as you can see, it extract all the content from Google search result, and as you can see, it rank Wikipedia first, and rank number 1. It is content score 38 and length of word 9710. Okay, 10 words, and the page title is time travel. And number 2 ranking space place. Okay, it's content score 41 and content length 888 word. Okay, space block. So as you can see, it you can choose here to competitor to for your content guidelines. So it I believe 30 at 30 competitor, and you need to choose competitor. So I just deselect it. Okay, and select these two. Okay, and update competitor selection and continue. Click here. So now we are in content editor, as you can see. So here you can see that content editor and then top analysis. In top analysis you can see competition, competitor breakdown, competitor structure, sharp layout and feature, keyword ideas. So as you can see, it keyword difficulty 2, and it's not a brand keyword. General optimization factor for top 100 result 15%. Okay, so if you click here, you can see top 100 preview, and if your website rank in Google with this keyword, you can see here. So my domain is not rank any of this keywords, so it is not, doesn't show it. And as you can see, it show you all the competitive parameter like rank number, URL, and content score, mouse authority, most domain authority, all the things. Okay, and if you go competitor structure, you can see your competitor content structure and title length, title, URL. Okay, and sharp layout and feature, you can see sharp layout and feature. So number 1 has image, iframe table from, and image. Okay, video. So number 4 has video to video. Okay, so number 5 has iframe. Okay, so you can see the on-site feature your competitors have. And then if we go to keyword ideas, you can see the all the keyword, and based on similarity you can we can include all this keyword you to your content and rank all this keyword. Okay, so let's see again content editor, and first of all we need to go to draft. As you can see, it's draft. So let's see the meta. Okay, here you can see article title and description. You need to include first title. Okay, so here as you can see title, time travel Wikipedia is time travel possible NASA space place. So let's say we like it, so select it. Okay, so you can change something. Okay, I just delete this, and after that we need to add description, so you can find ideas. Okay, let's say we use this. Okay, so you don't wish this kind of description, you need to edit and then wish. Okay, so we add our meta. Now we need to add article layout. So as you can see, here is you can see that 27 header and 36 cushion. Okay, so add what you like. So I like this, and then add some cushion here. Is it safe? Okay, we add some cushion and add some h2 tag, and then we need to copy to editor. So click here, copy to editor. As you can see, it copy in the editor. So now we need to write real articles. So as you can see, after every h2 tags it has expand notes, edit, beta generate. So let's click beta generate. So could we ever travel into the future? Okay, as you can see, it includes some NLP terms, travel into future, black hole. Okay, and before generating I see that 0.3. let's see what it is. Okay, as you can see, it's a cooler, more reliable content, and hotter, more unique and usually longer content. So if we use 0.1, it give you more reliable content, but if you use hotter like 0.7, 0.9, it give you more unique and usually longer content. The result is not predictable. So it is default temperature 03. We go for 03. Okay, so now let's generate. So do you want to use text generated by AI? So as you can see, it generated. There are popular ideas in science fiction that we could only travel into future by entering black hole. But it's true that black holes can distort time and space. It is unlikely that we could ever twist and travel into future. So it include all the NLP terms we given there. Okay, so as you can see, and it generate pretty good content. Okay, so if you want to use this, just use text, but if you don't like this content, you can generate again here. So I just use this. Okay, so as you can see, it just edit. Now travel to the past, probably impossible, but are there ways to time travel into future? So we need to generate here time travel past, time travel. Okay, click generate. So there is no definite answer to whether time travel into the future is possible, as there is no way to know for sure what might be possible in the future. However, there are some theories about how it could be done. For example, one theory says that if you were able to travel faster, so it generates pretty good content. So with this text, so like this you can generate all your h2 content. Okay, all the h2 content, and then your article is ready. But before publishing the content, you need to manually edit your content, because you check out what AI said and add some twist. Okay, so this way your content is like human, right? Okay, so as you can see, it give you 42 content score. So if you want to rank in top 1, it need 32, so it is above then. Okay, so top 10, 41. Okay, if we make this, okay, let's say save this. So let's say as you can see, it 44. So after complete you writing your content, what you need to do is you need to export the content, and you can export with a raw HTML, minimal HTML format text. So I copy and okay, file, new. So as you can see, we write 2 paragraph and it is here. So there is a popularization fiction. Okay. So I hope you get the idea how you can use this tool, how this optimize your content. And another thing I want to show you, as you can see it, content terms. It is all NLP terms, so you need to add one back in time 1 to 3 time, relatively, and 1 to 2 times, space and time 1 to 4 times. So you need to check and edit your content. And terms in header, you need to add this term in header. So back in time dot 10%, go back in time 10%, Einstein 10%, relatively 10%. Okay, so as you can see, it also has ideas, the question to answer, competitor h1, competitor h2. Okay. Basically it is NeuronWriter. You can optimize your content and write content. Okay, so I hope you get the basic idea of how you can analyze and optimize and write content with a NeuronWriter. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because I make tutorial every day. So if you don't want to miss out this, please subscribe my channel.